This isn't merely an ordinary transmission. What you're experiencing right now is a sacred intervention. The heavens are parting, and a message is being delivered directly to your spirit, carrying the power to completely redefine the trajectory of your life. This isn't a random event. Your presence here, in this very moment, was meticulously planned and inscribed in your personal timeline long before you were born. That heavy, potent energy you might sense surrounding you isn't apprehension or dread, it's the unmistakable proximity of the supernatural. Something profoundly holy and powerful is actively reaching out for you, and its call will not be repeated. The very spirit that governs all things is announcing a clear decree. This is the last threshold before full breakthrough. The celestial forces are aligned. Archangel Gabriel is standing ready, and the highest court of heaven has already rendered a final judgment in your favor. Your entire destiny rests at a pivotal juncture. Within the next short window, let's call it 48 divine hours, the old season of struggle could completely dissolve. The question before you isn't one of fear, but of divine immediacy. Will you ascend into the inheritance of blessing, or will you concede to one final, unnecessary delay? Do not mistake this divine urgency for pressure. It is the unwavering promise of your Creator. The Lord declares, "For I know the plans and thoughts that I have for you, plans for peace and not for evil, to give you a future and a hope." Jeremiah 29:11 paraphrased. But, dear chosen one, the full realization of these plans is always contingent upon your active alignment and willing participation. The very energies and influences that attempted to hinder, steal, or sideline you before are still observing, scrutinizing whether you will now walk away from your moment of culmination. Do not yield. Do not turn back. You have carried your sorrow in silence. You have weathered internal battles and pain that felt invisible to everyone around you. But let this truth anchor you. Heaven registered every single tear. Every solitary night you lay awake, teetering on the edge of surrender, it was all noted. And because of your endurance, the time for divine justice has arrived. A torrent of complete restoration is being released into your life. The burdens and illnesses that were threatening to take root in your life story are now being utterly cancelled and erased from your future. In place of former lack or sickness, prepare for an overwhelming, unprecedented flood of provision. This blessing carries the very essence and vibration of the eternal promise. Look closely at the number you may encounter, $1, 800 zeros, 000 zeros, $0. This numerical symbol transcends mere wealth. It stands as a profound representation of your total divine restoration, the full unlocking of your ultimate calling, the complete healing of all wounds, the undeniable magnitude of your comeback, and your permanent celestial alignment. As you make the conscious choice to step into this extraordinary divine role, I invite you to loudly affirm your readiness. A simple declaration is all it takes. Affirm your agreement by typing a powerful Amen in the space provided below. Let this be your deliberate, bold statement, signaling your absolute acceptance and commitment to walking in your God-given purpose. Remember to stay completely focused until the very end, as we will conclude this divine encounter with a deeply meaningful and sealing prayer for your day. Chosen one, your personal miracle is being crafted and unveiled in real time right now. Do not scroll away. Do not let distraction cause you to miss the single most important moment of your life thus far. Listen with an open heart, because something sacred is taking place, and it has your name indelibly etched upon it. That barely perceptible hum you sense, the subtle inner resonance you might be tempted to dismiss, that's not background noise. It is the unmistakable sound of divine transmission. The atmosphere immediately surrounding you is no longer the ordinary, mundane air you breathed moments ago. Heaven is actively and powerfully synchronizing your innermost spirit to a vastly higher, purer frequency. The longer you intentionally remain anchored in this moment, the more intensely the divine signal becomes, until every single thing that has been promised in the spiritual realm begins its undeniable manifestation in the natural world. The alarm has been sounded by Archangel Gabriel. The forces of heaven will not permit further delay. This is your moment of absolute rescue. This is your recovery mission, designed to bring back everything the enemy attempted to steal. Heaven is currently restructuring every facet of the path ahead, skillfully rerouting you away from anything that was never truly intended to be a part of your divine narrative. But you must hold your focus. You must not look away. You must not scroll. Jesus said it plainly, "My sheep listen to my voice. I know them, and they follow me." John 10:27. Right now, your deepest spirit recognizes a profound truth that your logical mind is still struggling to process. That sudden surge of emotion in your chest, that inexplicable warmth that spreads across your awareness, that is divine confirmation. Your soul and body are acknowledging the truth well before your human logic can fully catch up and articulate it. Chosen one, please understand this is not a poetic metaphor. This is a live, active transfer of blessing in motion. Every force and scheme that was once strategically orchestrated to dismantle and break you has now been decisively neutralized by the overwhelming decree of heaven. The threats that were once unseen have been utterly overridden and replaced by an impenetrable shield of divine peace and protection. And yes, the world and its critics will not grasp this. They will attempt to dismiss it as mere luck, a random stroke of good fortune. But you, in your deepest knowing, will recognize it for what it truly is, a divine transaction flawlessly disguised as a coincidental moment. While the masses see only chance, you are experiencing the power of covenant. Right now, the entirety of heaven is echoing with your unique divine signature. The angels are already speaking the details of your next glorious chapter, and it begins not with just enough, but with overwhelming overflow. This means an abundance of perfect health, restoration in its fullest, most complete measure. This is not a vague promise for some far-off date in the future. This is actively unfolding now, in real time, with every breath you draw in. Do not shift your attention. The profound shift you have poured out tears for, waited for with such deep yearning, and prayed over with such intensity. It is unfolding right before your very eyes. You can feel it reverberating in your very bones. The atmosphere around you is genuinely trembling with the intensity of heaven's active engagement. Something is breaking wide open. Something of eternal magnitude is being unequivocally released. And it is being released specifically for you. This is the ultimate reason you were meticulously selected, to stand up when others chose to collapse, to remain firm when others fell into despair, to receive the bounty that others were too distracted or impatient to wait for. The forces of the entire celestial realm have been holding for this precise sacred moment to unseal the floodgates, and let there be no doubt, it is happening now. Archangel Gabriel issues the clarion call. Heaven is observing who chooses to stay attuned. Those who hold fast to this divine connection will step fully into the wealth that was once unjustly denied, the healing that was perpetually delayed, and the favor that previously seemed utterly out of reach. You are standing on the very precipice of the life you have always dared to imagine. But this time it is not a fragile dream. This time it is being indelibly woven into your tangible, physical reality. The deep, abiding calm you feel welling up within your soul, That is not ordinary, fleeting peace. That is divine confirmation. The blessing has already been dispatched from the highest heaven. It is currently en route and making landfall. Your energy is no longer consumed by chasing miracles. You are now intentionally attracting them. You are becoming one with the source of the miraculous. You are fundamentally not the same person who began watching this message. The weary, the downtrodden, the fear-bound version of your former self is being replaced right now with a radiant, courageous, and utterly unstoppable being. You are now someone who moves under a palpable veil of divine favor, someone who carries the unmistakable signature of heaven upon their soul. Heaven is no longer speaking in cryptic symbols. It is acting in real-time, manifest power. And with every passing second you remain fully immersed in this moment. The magnitude of the blessing is multiplying exponentially. Do not turn away. Do not break this divine focus. What is coming next is guaranteed to send a wave of pure glory throughout your entire being. You are not forgotten. You are not running late. You are not fundamentally broken. You are divinely chosen, and this is the sacred, singular moment where absolutely everything transforms. The host of heaven has declared, this moment is sealed as sacred. The spiritual energy of faith you are holding right now is echoing throughout eternity, securing your future. Every subsequent breath you draw carries the undeniable sound of divine favor. What heaven is meticulously writing for you in this moment is being inscribed in an eternal, golden light, and no force of darkness on earth or in any other realm can possibly erase it. The miracle is unfolding perfectly. Do not allow anything to interrupt this sacred moment of alignment. Breathe slowly. Feel the deep, profound stillness and calm that is steadily rising inside you. That is not a mere trick of the mind. That is divine presence, whispering the ultimate truth. It is finished. The era of struggle ends here. The protracted season of waiting ends here. Your brand new glorious chapter begins now. And finally, before we seal this divine word with our closing prayer, know this: you have just secured your place in the vibration of victory itself. You are not merely walking towards it. You are already there. You are being met with a deep, profound stillness that speaks louder than any thunder, a clarity that is rising from the deepest well of your spirit. This is manifestation. Heaven is no longer hinting at its plan. It is powerfully and undeniably announcing it.